even help me. You recording me?
Helping you with what?
That's fucked up.
You got it off. Be happy.
Zipper off. What the fuck?
Oh no, you're
How do
hilarious.
you take this shit off? Dude. I'm fucking dizzy as hell. Dodge gave up. This nigga's going to sleep. He's like fucking. Oh, fuck. Chill. I'm at you recording this shit.
Say hi. It's such a MySpace.
Don't put that shit on me. Look, I take it off. Maybe I can put it back on.
Let's see if you put it back on this time right.
It'll be funny if I'm coming in the building.
Oh my god.
It'll fit.
Can you zipper it up right this time?
Okay. Watch the master. Don't you watching? Alright. Let's see. Let's try this again.
Oh, up.
Okay. This shit. This bitch is fucking recording me. You run out of tape, bitch.
Nope, they got a long way to go.
Shit, I'll just go like this. Let's go. Look good?